Always help your partners get connected. Make sure they're having a good connection in their lights. Okay, let's start this match in 3, 2, 1, go. That's an impressive cone movement, but it doesn't count for any points. Very impressive. Good attempt. 3, 2, 1, go. 1221K is having some issues. They moved in autonomous. $12.21, if you want to unplug your remote, you can unplug your remote and maybe it'll get you a connection. Yeah, unplug from the field and let's see if we can get you guys connected. Not from there, from your joystick, not from there, from your joystick. 1221, you guys can unplug from the field. Unplug the Ethernet from your, yeah, there you go. Now try to connect. Hey, you guys are moving, you're good. Move your robot, unplug from the field. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, make sure you test your connection before the match starts. That was a lot of connections on both sides. If you just test it carefully before the match starts, you can help resolve all those issues. Make sure your VexNet keys are synced, and that'll really help you get your robot working the right way. Still a very close match. Nobody won autonomous. It's going to come down to those mobile goals.